Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a vital part of English that helps connect ideas smoothly and make your sentences flow: conjunctions. Since we're working at a C1 level, we'll be looking at more advanced ways to use conjunctions, which can add complexity and clarity to your speech and writing. So, what exactly is a conjunction? Conjunctions are words that join phrases, clauses, or sentences, allowing us to express relationships between ideas. Common conjunctions include and, but, or, yet, and because. They are essential for making your sentences cohesive and for showing how different parts of your ideas relate to each other. Let's look at a few examples. She wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. Here, but contrasts two ideas. Or in he studied hard because he wanted to pass the exam, because explains the reason behind his action. At the C1 level, you'll also encounter conjunctions like although, despite, whereas, and even though, which help to express more complex relationships. For example, although she was tired, she finished her work, shows contrast and adds depth to the statement by highlighting the effort despite the fatigue. In everyday conversations, conjunctions make your language sound more natural and help others follow your thoughts more easily. Imagine describing a weekend plan. You might say, "We could go hiking if the weather is nice," or "We could visit a museum if it rains." Or in a discussion, you might say, "The idea sounds interesting. However, it might be challenging to execute." These conjunctions add flexibility to your language, allowing you to clarify your ideas and connect them logically. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to practice using conjunctions to make your sentences more complex and your ideas clearer. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review if you're enjoying the podcast. Your support helps others find the show, and we love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in today to learn about conjunctions at the C1 level. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.